all transports. Report status.
Bishop 2, standing by.
This is Bishop 3. We've taken some hits. 2 bulkheads down. We'll be all right.
Bishop 4, standing by. Bishop 5, standing by. Bishop 6, reporting unidentified contacts. Get ready for company.
Hyperspace jump successful. The core is operating at full capacity. We made it.
We have reached the Hagaran system. Vagyr forces are being reported in all sectors. They will know we have arrived. Six crew transports are inbound to dock with the mothership. A Vagyr carrier has been detected in the area. The transports are under attack and require immediate assistance. At least 4 transports must dock with the mothership to meet minimum crew requirements.
Strike group, prepare for assault.
Recommend construction of additional resource collectors to increase harvesting efficiency.
Strike group coordinates locked in.
Mothership. Production underway.
Resource collector awaiting orders. Copy.
Resources locked in.
Ready.
That's all of them. Ready for orders.
Resource collector complete.
Roger.
Threat eliminated. Transport Bishop 1 is safe.
Ready.
Resource collector complete.
Supporting friendly units.
Roger.
Strike group, prepare for assault.
Strike group under enemy attack.
Ready. Standing by.
Strike group coordinates locked in. Acknowledged. Enemy neutralized. Awaiting.
Threat eliminated. Transport
Mothership.
Bishop 2 is safe.
Collection confirmed.
The Vagyr carrier is launching reinforcements. Use bombers to destroy the carrier's fighter facility. This will prevent it from sending further reinforcements.
Roger.
Crew transport docked. Subsystem and engineering personnel transferring.
The mothership now has additional construction capabilities. Corvette facility available for construction.
Supporting friendly units.
Strike group to battle positions. Acknowledged. Strike group moving into position.
Strike group coordinates locked in. Locked in. Locked in.
fighter facility destroyed. The carrier can no longer build reinforcements.
Reporting. We're under fire. Docking with mothership. Roger. Move attack coordinates locked in. Strike group to battle positions. Reporting. Target destroyed.
Threat eliminated. Transport Bishop 3 is safe.
Mothership. Production.
Hyperspace signature detected. The Vega are using frigates to attack the transports. Some appear to be equipped with heavy anti-fighter weaponry.
Ready. Reporting. Docking with mothership. Standing by. Strike group, prepare for assault. Strike group moving into position. New formation acknowledged. Show no mercy.
Bomber squadron complete.
Roger. Strike group moving into position. Strike group prepare for assault. Acknowledged. Copy. Confirmed. Strike group coordinates locked in.
Receiving
Strike group
transmission
breaking
from
up.
Hagaran
I
Defense
got one.
Grid. Allied forces are arriving.
Bomber squadron complete.
Pride of Higara. This is Captain Soban of the fleet, Farron Shah. Looks like you could use a hand. Attention all Sobani, pick your targets and engage.
With the help of Captain Soban, we should be able to save the rest of the transports.
Ready. What's our damage? Move attack confirmed. Status report.
Transport Bishop
Pursuing
4
targets.
sustaining critical damage. Send interceptors immediately to defend Bishop 4.
We've got a situation here. I got one. Drawing light fire. All stations reported by the number.
Threat eliminated. Transport Bishop 4 is safe.
Strike group reports hostile contact. Heavy fire confirmed. I'm taking hits here. Supporting friendly units. Confirmed. Attacking capital ship.
Threat eliminated. Transport Bishop 5 is safe.
Copy. Strike group coordinates locked in. Docking with mothership. Enemy neutralized. Awaiting orders.
Mothership. Production.
The Vega frigates have been destroyed.
Acknowledged. Docking with mothership.
The Vega carrier is retreating. It must be destroyed before it can escape.
Copy. New formation acknowledged. New formation acknowledged. Strike group moving into position. Attacking capital ship.
Resource collector
Copy.
Strike group moving into position. We're under fire.
Docking with mothership.
The Vaygr carrier has been destroyed.
Fleet, this is Captain Soban. The Homeworld system will soon be overrun by Vaygr forces. Their objective is to capture the mothership. You must get the Pride of Higara out of here. The enemy will follow, and in doing so, you will buy the Homeworld some time. Soban, out.
Captain Soban's mission will be to track down the location of the Vaygr leader. His fleet has been dispatched. He will remain in contact with us.
Production underway.
Reporting. Strike group moving into position. Strike group breaking up. Roger. Reporting.
Interceptor squadron complete.
Copy. Strike group moving into position. Underway. Standing by. Destination locked in.
Reporting.
Interceptor squadron complete.
Acknowledged.
Crew transport docked. Research staff and science teams transferring.
New research options available.
Copy.
En route.
Upgrade complete.
Ready.
Confirmed. Coordinates confirmed. Standing by. Acknowledged. Strike group moving into position. Ready.
Crew transport docked. Sensor crews transferring.
Mothership sensor systems are now operating at full capacity.
Confirmed.
Confirmed.
Acknowledged. Resource collector awaiting instructions.
Reporting.
Upgrade complete.
We're coming home. Confirmed. Local resources exhausted, fleet. Moving on.
Attention fleet, we have too many collectors here. Expect delays. Resource collector awaiting instructions. Local resources exhausted, fleet. Nothing else in range.
Resources exhausted. Resource collector awaiting instructions. Reporting.
Ready.
Crew transport docked. Engine and power plant crews transferring.
Engine performance increased to normal levels. Four crew transports docked. We have met minimum crew requirements.
Standing by. Docking with mothership.
Copy.
Strike group coordinates locked in.
Docking with mothership. Standing by.
Strike group coordinates locked in.
Standing by. Docking with mothership.
Acknowledged. Docking with mothership.
Acknowledged.
Crew transport docked. Elite fighter pilots transferring.
Elite bomber squadrons launching from mothership.
Reporting.
Strike group moving into position.
Acknowledged.
Acknowledged.
Mothership. Production underway. Mothership.
Copy.
New upgrades available. Corvette subsystem Corvette complete. Facility complete. Gunship corvettes now available for construction.
These ships are effective when used against fighter-class vessels.
Crew transport docked. Elite corvette crews transferring.
Elite corvette squadrons launching from mothership. Crew transports returning to base.
We cannot allow the mothership to fall into enemy hands. Coordinates set for the Sarum system. There, we will regroup our forces and mount a counteroffensive. All ships, stand by for hyperspace.